Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get vitamin D naturally. The most effective way to boost your vitamin D levels is through sensible sun exposure. Your skin produces vitamin D when exposed to ultraviolet B rays from the sun. While some foods contain vitamin D, sunlight is generally the main natural contributor for many individuals. Understanding how to safely harness the sun's power is key to maintaining healthy levels. To maximize vitamin D production from the sun, aim for about 10 to 30 minutes of midday sun exposure a few times each week. The sun's ultraviolet B rays are strongest around noon, making it the most efficient time. Exposing a larger area of skin, such as your arms and legs, helps your body produce more vitamin D. Remember that individuals with darker skin may need 25 to 40 minutes of exposure due to higher melanin content. While sunlight is primary, certain foods can also contribute to your vitamin D intake. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are among the best natural dietary sources. You can also find smaller amounts in egg yolks and beef liver. Interestingly, some mushrooms, especially those exposed to ultraviolet light, naturally produce vitamin D too, offering a unique plant-based option to support your levels. To ensure your body effectively uses the vitamin D you get, remember it's a fat-soluble vitamin. This means consuming it with healthy fats like those found in avocados or nuts can significantly improve absorption. Additionally, many foods, such as milk and cereals, are fortified with vitamin D, offering another way to boost your intake. Don't forget to check the description for a link to an insightful book about money and other great deals. Balancing sun exposure with a vitamin D-rich diet and smart absorption practices will help you maintain optimal levels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.